In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and edit WordPress widgets. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your WordPress skills, understanding widgets can significantly enhance your website's functionality and appearance. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can effectively manage widgets on your WordPress site. First, let's get started by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the sidebar on the left side of your screen, where you'll find a variety of options. Hover your cursor over Appearance, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on Widgets. This will take you to the Widgets page, where you can manage, edit, and add widgets to your WordPress site. Once you're on the Widgets page, you'll see a list of available widgets on the left and various widget areas on the right. The widget areas can vary depending on your theme. They typically include sidebars, footers, and sometimes a header or other custom areas. You can explore these different areas to see where you'd like to place your widgets. To add a new widget, simply drag the widget from the left-hand side and drop it into your desired widget area on the right. If you're unsure which widget might work best, take a moment to explore the list. There are various types of widgets, from text boxes to calendars, search bars, and many more, each offering unique functionality to your site. If you're adding a widget, say, a text widget, click on the triangle or arrow icon to expand the widget's options once it's placed in your chosen widget area. Here, you can add a title to your widget, which might be something like About Us, and fill in the body text as it suits your content needs. Don't forget to save your changes. There's usually a Save button within the expanded widget area, and clicking it will apply your changes to the live site. If you ever decide you want to remove or rearrange widgets, that's entirely possible too. To remove one, expand the widget you want to remove and click on the Delete link, usually found at the bottom of the widget box. As for rearranging, it's just as simple as drag and drop. Click and hold the widget you want to reposition and drag it to a new location within the same widget area or a completely different one. Widgets are a fantastic way to enhance your site's functionality and user experience. They can provide essential tools to your visitors and allow you to convey more information in an efficient format. Experiment with different widgets and see what works best for your site's layout and the experience you're aiming to provide for your users. And there you have it. Now, you're equipped with the foundational knowledge to add, edit, and manage widgets on your WordPress site. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and experiment. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing!